Hey, Jeremy. Hey, where are my Facebook ads, bro? Like, we gotta get this off the ground. Nobody's gonna know what this game is if we don't get those ads on it. Christian, dude, where's our YouTube video? We need the explainer. These guys don't understand. They don't read words, okay? Edward, where's the white paper, bro? You cannot have a project without a stinking white paper. Snip, snip, let's get to it. Emily, come on now. I've been asking you 10 days straight. Get me that LinkedIn page. What the snap? Brandon, dude, win exchange. Did you get with KuCoin? I need to know if this junk is done. Everyone's been blowing me off the hook. Fred, come on now. Win Coinbase. We need Coinbase. We already got Binance and KuCoin in the background. Win Coinbase, dude. Work on this. Let's go. Dilbert, dude, like, quit drinking all the coffee, man. Go grab me a sandwich. Zach, dude, I know you're working hard, but come on, man. That Twitter page is poo-poo. Work on it. Make it better. Do better. I can't have this again. Dude, do you guys not, like, coordinate this? We need all this done now to get this game off the road. Come on now. All right, guys, in all seriousness, there's actually a coin working on accomplishing all that junk to where all you need to do is boom, bam, this is your idea, this is your concept, and they do all that junk that I just showed you guys. And Vision Game takes care of all that middleman junk that you guys saw in there. That way you just come out on the end with the gameplay. If you guys would like to hear more about Vision Game, you guys can check out the KuCoin YouTube channel for the full entire video.